bad. You know, my bag always falls, and my bag is always falls to my classmates passing by. And after that, I wanted a new bag. It's a really square one, so it will not fall. Because when Grimes has a small bag like me, and Grimes change it into a big one, and
Kayo gaya-gaya lang.
no, I don't.
It's always falling.
And mommy, wait, don't press it yet. And don't press it yet. And
Tamaan.
that always annoys me. And please buy me one. I'm gonna send a picture to you later in Shopee.